Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel in the Data Quartet. My name is Shayan Paul and this is my first YouTube video ever. And here I am going to explain the SQL query, this SQL question actually. The question is, write a query to find the date for the nth occurrence of Sunday in the future from a given date. Okay, so what does it mean actually? Let's take an example. If today is 9th October 2025, which is Thursday, and the next, what will be the next Sunday? The next Sunday, the first occurrence of next Sunday is 12th October 2025. The second occurrence is 19th October 2025. The third occurrence is 26th October 2025. And the fourth is 2nd November, and so on. Okay. So this is the concept behind this question. We need to find the occurrence. Interviewer will give you the occurrence. Okay. Is it third, fourth, fifth, whatever it is. But this is the concept behind the question, nth occurrence of Sunday in the future from a given table. Okay. So before jumping towards the SQL queries, I want to explain function over here. Okay. The first one is the date part and the second one is the date add. So what is DATEPART function? Always remember the first point, DATEPART function will give you the number, not the date. Okay. And DATEPART function has two parameter. One is DATEPART and the second one is date. Okay. In the date section, you will put the date like 9 October 2025. And what is the date part? Date part means part of the date. So if you want to fetch the year of the date, if you want to fetch the data like month of the date, the day of the date, the week of the date, the weekday of the date, then you should mention it over here in date part section. Like get the year of the 9 October 2025. Then what should I do? I should write year over here and I need to write the date 9 October 2025, and the date part function will give me the number that 2025 because I want to fetch the year of this date. Okay, so this is how the date part function works. And the next thing is date add function. Date add function will give you the date, not the number. Okay, so date add function, if you want to go in the future or if you want to go in the past, this date add function will help you. How? You need to mention in the number section that if you want to go in the future, you need to mention a positive number, and if you want to go in the past, you need to mention a negative number. Let's take an example that today is 9 October 2025 and after 3 months, and what will be the date? Then after 3 months, so I need to write 3 over here. Okay, and then in the date part section, I need to mention the day. Okay, what will be the date after 3 months? So from today onwards, after 3 months will come the January, I think. So January will be the answer of this date add function. Okay, after 3 months, the date will be January 2026, 9 January 2026. This date add function works like that. And the workday. In SQL, by default, we have workday. We have saved workday. In the workday, the 1 means Sunday. In 2 means Monday. 3 means Tuesday. 4 means Wednesday, and so on. I will explain it later why I've written it over here as a Sunday workday 8. As of now, you need to remember that we have 7 days in a week, and the first workday is 1, which is Sunday. It is already saved by default in SQL. Okay. So now I need to have some value as a current date and have a occurrence. Okay. So I need to declare one thing, and in SQL we can declare as a temporary purpose to use the data. Okay. So you should write like this: declare, then at the rate, and give a variable name which is today date, date. Then you have to give the data type of that variable name. I am using the date data type because I am working with the dates. And again, I need to declare another variable which is at the rate n. Okay, because it will give me the occurrence, because it will give me the occurrence. Okay, so the occurrence means the whole number, so that is why I am using the integer data type. Now I need to give a value in this variable, so I am writing the set and then the variable name, and I am going to give a date over here to this variable, which is Thursday actually, which is Thursday. This also actually, let's take an example. Interviewer asked for the fourth occurrence. Okay, so that is why I have taken 4 as a at the rate n. So these are the declaration I have already done and these are the values I have taken over here. And now I am going to write the SQL queries. At first I should write the date add function, and from here onwards I need to fetch the day. I will write the number section later. At first I need to mention today's date as a date section. Okay, and as a date part I need to mention the day. And here I'm going to a short trick, which is 8 minus date part. I'm going to explain it obviously. At this date part I need weekday, comma, and also today's date. See, and let me explain this. Okay, anything wrong? Okay, in front of that, I need to put a select command. Okay, see, in this date function, what I have mentioned in this date section, I have mentioned the today's date, and instead of writing the number manually, I wanted to write the number with this formula because I wanted to get the number automatically. Okay, so I have mentioned the date part, which will give me the number only. And how? See, I've already mentioned in SQL, these are the weekday. Okay, so in date part section, I have mentioned the weekday as a date part and then today's date. So today's date is 9 October 2025, which is Thursday, and Thursday have a weekday, which is 5. So this date part will give me the number 5, and 8 minus 5 equals to 3. And why I have written 8 here? Let's take an example. I am here, which is Thursday equals to 5, and I want to know what will be the next Sunday. Okay, then how many days are there left to reach the next Sunday? Then what should I do? If I have Sunday as a eighth day, because this is a week, Saturday as seventh day, and then comes Sunday as a eighth day. Then if I need to know the answer how many days are left, then I can do 8 minus 5 equals to 3. So I can tell that from Thursday onwards you need to go 3 days to reach the Sunday. Okay, so that is why I am subtracting it from 8 to reach the first Sunday from this current date. Okay, so if you want to get Monday, you need to write here 9. If you want to get Tuesday, if you have to write here 10. So this is how it works. Okay, so this DATEADD function is giving me the 12 October 2025, which means today is 9 October, 12 October is Sunday, the first occurrence of the Sunday in future. But I need the fourth occurrence. Then what should I do? Just use another DATEADD function. Okay, and this is I'm going to explain you what I have written it over here. See, here I have written another DATEADD function, and in this new DATEADD function, I have used the old DATEADD function as a current date. Okay, which is 12 October 2025. It is already over here, and then I, as a date part, I want to fetch the week because I am already in 12 October 2025 through this statement. Okay, through this statement. So if I jump 3 more weeks, I will get the fourth occurrence of the Sunday. Okay, I think you are getting my point. I am in Sunday. If I jump 3 more weeks, I will get another Sunday, which is the fourth occurrence of Sunday. So that is why in the date part section I have mentioned week, and in the number section I have mentioned @-1, because I want to automate it all the things. I don't want to put it manually. Okay, so that this has already the number @n is equal to 4, and I have written over here @n-1. It means it is 3, so it will give me a jump of 3 weeks. Okay, and let me add a alias over here as a fourth uh, fourth Sunday. Okay, so if I run it again over here, then I will get the fourth Sunday is 2nd November 2025. So this is the whole explanation of this video. If you like it, you can press the like button, or you can subscribe it. So thank you.